Hello folks, Gino here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas with a 2014 Harley Davidson Street Glide Special. This is a sweet ride right here. It's got the 103 motor and 6-speed transmission, upgraded with an engine guard up front here. Everything just looks real clean, real nice. Front fender looks real good. Got excellent tire on the front. You can still see evidence right here of the little knobs on the tires. High density headlight. It's a low mileage bike, very well taken care of. Got the large on the Street Glide Special. It has the larger touch screen, the 6.5 inch, full instrumentation through the fairing vent system there. It's also got the trim stripe that comes all the way down the back and across on the fender as well. Excellent tire on the rear. Got the factory exhaust, so it runs pretty quiet. Electronic cruise control. 2014 Harley came out with the single-handed bag lid latches, so it makes it easy to get in and out of, even at a stoplight. This one's got some goodies in there. Got the boom box manual. It's not even been opened yet. And the owner's manual hasn't been opened. There's the anti-lock brake DVD. So I'm assuming it's got anti-lock brakes. Yes, it does. Heavy duty oil cooler. Street Glide Special's got the coil-over shocks too. I don't know if you can see down in there. Instead of the air shocks, it's a coil-over type shock. Let's fire this bad boy up. So 2014, it's got 328 miles. That's why it's in such good shape. Somebody bought it, just thought they wanted a Harley. It's got a place here for your little musical device. Let you give it a listen right quick. There might be a little bitty rub right there on that corner. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team at 817-985-8888. They can tell you all about it. Go online and see our complete inventory at TexasBestUsedMotorcycles.com. This bike qualifies for some excellent warranties and financing. We take almost anything in on trade. We sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Thanks for looking.